Hello and welcome to this beginner's guide to Forex trading. In this video, we'll go over the basics of what Forex trading is, how it works, and some tips to get started. What is Forex trading? Forex, or foreign exchange, is the buying and selling of currencies in the global marketplace. Trillions of dollars are traded daily, making it the largest and most liquid market in the world. Forex trading involves speculating on the price movements of currency pairs, such as the euro/US dollar or the Japanese yen/British pound. How does Forex trading work? Forex trading takes place in a decentralized marketplace, meaning that it doesn't have a physical location like a stock exchange. Instead, trading is done electronically through a network of banks, brokers, and traders. The goal of Forex trading is to make a profit by buying a currency at a lower price and selling it at a higher price. Tips for getting started in Forex trading. Educate yourself. Before getting started in Forex trading, it's important to learn the basics of the market, including trading strategies, risk management, and technical analysis. This will help you make informed trading decisions and avoid costly mistakes. Choose a reputable broker. A Forex broker is a company that provides access to the market for traders. It's important to choose a broker that is regulated by a reputable authority, has a good track record, and offers a user-friendly trading platform. Start with a demo account. A demo account is a risk-free way to practice Forex trading without risking real money. This allows you to get familiar with the trading platform and test out different strategies before trading with real money. Develop a trading plan. A trading plan outlines your goals, risk tolerance, and strategies for entering and exiting trades. It's important to stick to your plan to avoid impulsive trading decisions. Conclusion: Forex trading can be a profitable and exciting way to invest your money, but it's important to approach it with caution and a well-thought-out plan. By educating yourself, choosing a reputable broker, starting with a demo account, and developing a trading plan, you can increase your chances of success in the Forex market. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.